How to remove all Instagram likes at once. To remove all of your likes that you have done previously in your Instagram application, first of all check that if you have updated version of Instagram or not. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you are on home page of Instagram application, hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top right, you will see three lines. Simply hit on that and go through the settings and privacy. Now, scroll down there, you will see your activity option available. Simply tap on that. There you will see likes option. Go through it. From here, you can select the reels or videos that you want to unlike. Once you select that, at the bottom you will see unlike option, tap on it and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can remove all Instagram likes at once. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.